Welcome back everyone to another video of our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring a powerful and frequently underestimated feature known as the ternary operator. If you are ready, let's get started. So we are going to explore the ternary operator in JavaScript. The ternary operator is a concise way to write conditional statements in JavaScript. It can be used in the place of if-else statement. We can get the same result from if-else statement and ternary operator, but the difference is that ternary operator can save a lot of time and lines of code. So let's understand how it works. First, let's start with the basic syntax of the ternary operator. It follows this pattern: condition, expression 1 and expression 2. The condition is an expression that evaluates to either true or false. If the condition is true, the operator returns expression 1, otherwise it returns expression 2. Let's see an example to make things clear. Suppose we have a variable called age that stores a person age. We want to check if they are eligible to vote or not. Here we can use the ternary operator for this. In this example, we check if age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is, the condition is true and the ternary operator returns the string yes. Otherwise, if the condition is false, it returns the string no. Let's run this code and see what happens. So here you can see it prints yes, which means the person with an age of 18 is eligible to vote. So if you write here 10, then you can see it prints no. The ternary operator is not limited to simple expressions. You can also use it for more complex operations and assignments. Let me show you an example. Here we declare one variable with the name temperature. So we can write const temperature is equal to, let's say, 25. And we have to declare one more variable with the name weather. So we write same const weather is equal to, we are using ternary operators. So first we write condition, that is temperature is greater than 30, and after condition we have to put a question mark, and after that we have to write a result that will be show when this condition will be true. And so we here write hot. Now we add here one more condition, that is temperature is greater than 20 and less than 30. Then the result will be shown as warm. Now we add here last condition. In this example, we determine the weather based on the temperature. If the temperature is greater than 30, it returns hot. If it's between 20 and 30, it returns warm. Otherwise, if none of these conditions are met, it returns cold. Let's run this code and see what the output looks like. So the output is warm because we enter the temperature 25 and this condition is executed. And if you write the temperature like 3, then it will print cold. And if we write temperature greater than 30, that is we write 50, so it will print hot. So the ternary operator allowed us to check multiple conditions and return the appropriate result based on the temperature value. Before we wrap up, let me share a couple of tips when using the ternary operator. First, remember to keep your expressions concise and readable. If your expression becomes too complex, it might be better to use an if-else statement instead. Second, always use parentheses to ensure clarity and avoid unexpected behavior. That's all for today's video on the ternary operator in JavaScript. We have covered its basic syntax, seen example of how it can be used, and discussed a few tips. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or suggestion for future topics, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more JavaScript tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.